Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you this smudged smoky eyeliner look, which one is perfect for everyday look, even for the festival where we don't want to put too much glitter but still want to look glamorous. So this is the look for those people who wants to look simple but still glamorous. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. Here I already done my skincare. I put my moisturizer on. Now it's time for the primer. Here I'm using my Becca Backlight Illuminous primer, which one has a glow into it. So I like to put this primer for any kind of festival or if I'm going out for dinner or party. So I'm just going to massage onto my face so that I have that natural glow kind of thing to my skin. Now I'm going to start with eyebrows, and here I'm using my L'Oreal Brow Definer pencil. It's in the shade Brunt. I'm just kind of outlining it and filling it in as well. Quickly doing my other eyebrow as well. Here both are done. Now I'm using the tape, and for the primer I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer for eye primer. Just kind of putting it onto my eyelid and blending it in with the damp beauty blender. To set that concealer, here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and using that fluffy brush and kind of pressing it in into my skin so that concealer doesn't crease to my skin. That's how I'm going to do it. And now here I'm using my Maybelline gel eyeliner pencil. This is a waterproof pencil as well. Here I'm going to make a line as close as possible to the lash line and creating a line out of it. Doesn't matter if it's not even, because anyway we are going to smudge it out later on. So just create a line, thick line or thin line, it's just up to you. You can stretch your outer corner and then you can make a line. That probably be a easiest way to do that. Anyway, I'm going to do it like that because I'm using tape. Now the line is done. I'm using my flat brush to smudge it out just like that. Look at that. I'm just going to blending it out, outwards, inwards, wherever you want, because it will be smudged out later on, so it won't matter. Just like that. I just love the way how it's smudging it out and giving you the smokiest effect, which one we want it. Remember one thing here, just take your time for the blending and it will look so beautiful at the end. The result will be amazing. Now I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette and taking this brown color, which one called Sandalwood, from the palette, and taking the angular brush. I'm just kind of taking that color and I'm going to apply on the top of that black eyeliner, which one we smudged already, just like that. You can see that brownish, blackish, smokiest effect, which one we want, which one looks so beautifully amazing. Look at that. I'm just going to put it on the top of that black eyeliner, which one smudged already, just like so. And you can take your time to put that eyeliner so that you can see that brown thing as well on the top. Now I'm taking the blending brush and I'm just kind of blending that brown and black color together, just like that. You can use this one with very light hand. You don't have to be very harsh with that because it will blend very nicely, because black is already smudged and you're going to smudge that brown. So this is the other eye is done already. I'm just going to take my tape off and this is how it will look like. I'm just going to wipe it out, the excess which one I have dropped already on the under eye area. Here is the lashes are done too, and here the eyes look like. So if you want, you can finish here, but I want to use this sandalwood color onto my crease. I'm going to use that crease brush. I'm going to apply it, just making a transition color on the top of my crease, just like that. You can skip this part, it's perfectly okay because your eyeliner is already done, so it's up to you. For the foundation, here I'm using my new purchase, which one is Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. I'm mixing it with my MAC Face and Body. I forgot to use my Tarte oil before I'm using that foundation. I'm going to apply that oil onto my face. Just kind of using my one hand because on the other hand I have foundation already. So I'm just going to, oh, it's dripping out. Just going to apply it onto my face, just like that, and using the damp beauty blender, damp beauty sponge, which one is from Real Technique, which one I always use in my videos. Going to pressing it out the foundation onto my skin. Now for the concealer, here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just kind of highlighting my inner corner and outer corner of my eye, and make sure you're putting it upwards when you do the outer corner. And I'm going to apply it onto my forehead, nose, cheekbones, cupid bows, usual areas where I put my concealer. Just kind of blending it out with the same beauty blender, just like that. And do not sweep, guys, just pressing it in, just like that. Now I'm using here my MAC Studio Fix setting powder. I'm just kind of using this fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. When you do your smile lines, just make sure you blow your air up into your mouth and then do that, because it will help to reduce the fine lines. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty loose powder, which is in the shade Banana. Here I'm using this powder just to set that concealer underneath my eyes, just like that. I'm using the same puff which one it comes with. Now here I'm using my Anastasia contour palette in the shade medium, and using this color right here. I'm going to apply it onto my cheeks, my forehead, nose, and my jawline as well. This brush is really good, and this is from Morphe contour brush. Now I'm using my same Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana just to sharpen my contour. I'm going to bake my cheeks just like that, a little bit, not too much. Now by the time I'm gonna use my Maybelline gel eyeliner pencil in the lower lash line, just like that. And you can do tight line as well, which one looks more pretty, so just do that. I'm using my same palette and using that brown color Sandalwood, which one I used before for my crease. I'm taking the brush and just kind of smudge it out onto my lower lash line, so that the upper lash line and lower lash line look similar, the smudged out smokier look, just like that. Once you apply this, you can smudge it out with the other brush, maybe the pencil brush or any smudger brush. I'm using the smudger brush right here from Real Technique, just kind of blending it out, that brown and black color together, just like that. Now for the blush, I'm using my Too Faced Love Flush Blush palette and using this peachy pink color and applying it onto my cheeks, little bit on my nose, little bit on my temples, and that's it. Here is time for highlighter, Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. Perfect highlighter for festive season. Now I'm going to bake my wiping out the powder, and I'm just applying the highlighter onto my cheekbones, just like that. Little bit onto my nose, my little bit on my forehead, my cupid bows, and my chin as well. Now time for the lips. Here I'm using this lip liner which is from L'Oreal in the shade Plum. I'm kind of outlining my lips with this color, because I feel like with smoky look, the plum color or the nudie pinkish plum color looks so pretty. And this is the plum color again from the Tarte lipstick. I'm not sure the name exact from the Tarte lipstick. I will put the name in my description box below. You can check from there. Here I'm using this Sephora lip gloss on the top of it, which one in the shade mauve again, the plummy mauve. I love that color, looks so nice. And this is the final look, you guys. I love the way it turned out. I might wear this look for Navratri this year. I really like it. Please let me know if you learn this look, or if I explained it nicely to you and you learn it. And if you have any other suggestion to make me that look for you, then please let me know in the comment section below which look you want me to do next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.